Hello my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I know, it's been a while, hasn't it? I think the last video I put up was, basically the Beautylish Lucky Bag of last year. Oops. So, if you didn't know what this video is going to be about, it's going to be the Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I think this is my third year of getting this box bag thing in a row. It's based off of the Japanese tradition Fukubukuro, which is basically a custom that's done by retail stores to bring good luck into the new year. The sentiment of good luck is real, but like, let's be honest, it's basically just cleaning out their old inventory. Regardless, I got suckered in by this one. Let's not delay the suspense. Let's get into it. Okay, so just like last year, this print is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at these cranes. The artistic detail is just astounding. Man, I love this. Time to destroy it. Okay. So this year, if I'm not mistaken, they have decided that essentially they're not going to do their normal bubble or like black packaging wrap thing on top, and then, like, you know, there was always layers of black paper, so you never knew when the package ended. Instead, they've decided to basically put all of the products in bubble wrap, so you have this one giant package. But what that means is if I look down, I see everything that's in this box. So I'm essentially going to have a staring contest with y'all and not know what I got. So first thing, I'm not looking at a squat. I feel the bubble wrap though. All right, I can't look. Oh my gosh, this is so terrifying. So now that I finally got in the bubble wrap, the first thing that I'm pulling out is a square box, and let's see what it is. Hopefully it's not upside down. It's upside down. Okay. Oh, it's the Good Molecules Cleansing Balm. I was actually really curious to try this. This one along with the, I believe it's the Fresh Cleansing Balm, which is, no, not Fresh, but, what's that brand? They sell a lot of honey masks, which is absolutely beautiful. Oh, why can't I remember? Anywho, that other really popular cleansing balm, but it was between these two that I wanted to try out, so I'm really excited. Oh, goodness. I kind of am curious if it has a smell. I thought there was a spatula as I throw it across the room. Supposedly, using the enclosed spatula, scoop out a generous amount and apply to dry skin. Okay, where's the oh, I found the enclosed spatula. Oops. Okay, so here's the enclosed spatula. It's very simplistic, which is nice. It apparently goes into this little lid here, and then that's the product. It actually looks like soap stuff, but it's very slippery, which is good, I guess, because, you know, cleansing balm put on your face, and, you know, should be very smooth and slippery and stuff. All right, cool. The first thing is a cleansing balm, which I'm very excited to use. So, next product. What the flying fudge is this? It's a long cylindrical thing with a small cylindrical. I'm saying cylindrical, but that's absolutely not the word that I'm trying to say. I promise. What am I feeling right now? I have no idea. Okay, don't look down. But I'm going to go for the smaller square box because reasons. Here we go. Oh, another liquid lipstick. Okay. So last year I actually got a Sugar Pill liquid lipstick. It was a metallic red, which I am wearing right now. Yes, it's more toned down for today's look because I had a show in which I'm just getting back from, so please don't mind the hair. But if I could get it open. Ooh, okay. This is more of a corally color. It does look like it's settled a touch, but I like this coral color. It seems like it's going to be a traditional matte red. Ooh. Oh, and I love this smell. Ooh, what are you called? What are you called? Nurse. That's hilarious. Alright, so it's going to be a traditional matte red lipstick, or liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Nurse. Because why the heck not? You need a nurse. Nurse. Alright, let's get into the next products. Okay, so now let's get into one of these other strange things that I was feeling. What am I feeling? Oh, by the way, I actually got the Deep to Dark box. Let me give a quick shout out to my wonderful friends who actually helped and assisted me in getting these boxes. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Like, for real. You guys are like 1000%. Anyway, so this one is the Deep to Dark box, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you know when I upload the light to medium. I wanted to see if there was like any type of difference between the boxes, you know? So, back to the box. Next is, whoa. Whoa. It is the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara in Ultra Black. I had been seeing that Hourglass was giving a lot of their, like, the lipstick thing around. Ooh, this sucker is weighty. And it actually says, caution. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Wow. I have no words for this. Mostly because, like, I'm not disappointed. I actually had a couple of samples of this mascara, so I'm really kind of curious to see what it will do. I already tried the Pat McGrath one, but that one didn't really work out for me, unfortunately, so I'm really curious to see if it'll work. I'm not going to pull it out because, you know, I already have like 6 mascaras open right now. So, I'll save it for later. Alright, moving on. Let's pull out that other strange one. This one. What are you? Let me turn it so I see. Oh, it's Danessa Myricks? Yeah, Danessa Myricks Beauty. And it's their something something veil. Illuminating Veil. Oh, it's in the shade Goddess. I've actually been curious to try Danessa Myricks' products. This is a black-owned beauty brand, and she's a very prominent makeup artist, not like Pat McGrath prominent, but she is very well known in the makeup artist industry as well, and I was really curious to try some of her products. It's just, at the time when I first looked and when she first came to Beautylish, none of the products were screaming at me, so whoa. That's bronzy. Look at that. I actually really like this. And I think her style, her artistic style, is more of very luminous, almost wet looking skin. So it's not a surprise that we would be getting this brand in our beauty box. Okay, so this is what I got. And wow. Wowzy, wow, wow, wow. See, wow, wow. Whoa. Whoa. That's very orange. But it smells like a lotion. Ooh, I could put this in lotions in the summertime and have nice and bronzy shimmery legs. Yes, please. And that is the sheen, just so you have an idea, that's the sheen that it will give. Ooh, I like that. And it seems to be kind of setting down as well, so let me find the box. So that's nice. Okay. I'm not mad at this. I can't wait to use this. It seems like it's setting down also, so maybe it won't transfer on, you know, shoes or pants or skirts, clothing in general. So, next thing. Alright, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Let's go with the brush, right? Yeah. You guys, it's a Wayne Goss brush. Okay, but more specifically, it's a Wayne Goss face brush. You have no earthly idea. I wanted to get this one earlier in this, well, I guess not this year anymore. Welcome to 2020. I wanted to get this one earlier in 2019. Oh my gosh. So this is the Wayne Goss number 10 brush. Is it upside down again? No. And it's a very tapered kind of face brush. I'm figuring that I could use it for like very precise setting powder, or like when I just need to like freshen up my face, or maybe even very strategic blush. I don't know. But I am so excited because I was genuinely afraid that I was going to get another fan brush, if I'm being perfectly honest. Okay, so that's really good. So far we have 4 really amazing products, which means 2 left. Oh my. Next, did we go with the small box or this very sizable? I'll leave the sizable one in there for now. We'll go with the small box, which I think is a shadow palette. Boop. Oh, Viseart! Holy snap! Yes! Holy snap! Yes! Okay, so calm down. Okay. So this is the Viseart Dark Edit palette, and this was absolutely on my list of things that I wanted to try from Viseart. Aside from their, I believe it's called the Dark Matter palette, the one that's basically all dark colors, essentially like this, but all mattes. Y'all have no idea, and I'm so excited for this palette. I can't even get it open. Finally! Okay. And it's purple! It's purple! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh my word. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the mirror that's behind you. It's... oh. Wow. I genuinely cannot wait to put these on my eyes and just... y'all, I am so excited to try this. I have been wanting to try Viseart Viseart, whatever you choose to say it. I have been wanting to try a Viseart palette for a long time now. I'm gonna cry. Okay, let's not cry. So that leaves one more item. Let's do this. And it's quite a sizable item, right? And it shakes. Y'all know what that is? No. There it is. Vital proteins. They gave me protein. They gave me beauty and collagen. In the strawberry lemon dietary supplement. Y'all have no idea what the... I don't know what to do with this. Oh boy, I'm so speechless. Wow, okay then. Sorry. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm back. I'm done. I'm cool. So, aside from that last one, which I really have absolutely no earthly idea what I'm gonna do, because I actually don't take vitamins by themselves very much in my daily life, so this one is gonna... we'll see if I actually end up using that. But as far as these other items, yes, I put it all in the same box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this Wayne Goss brush. The mascara, I could always use another black mascara. I'm so glad that they gave me a matte red lipstick on top of the metallic red lipstick that they gave me last year. Then we have Danessa Myricks, which I've always been curious about trying. I can't even talk anymore. And then we have, of course, the cleansing balm, which is in the box. And finally, the Dark Edit palette, which, it's as if they read my aesthetic and was just like, yeah, we absolutely need to give her this one. And they were right. Alright, so overall, I am ecstatic. I am so happy. I'm so pleased. Ah, man, this was a fantastic Christmas present. Okay, so just to wrap this video up, let's just say I am extremely ecstatic with the items that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag this year. I can't wait for next year again. But even before that, let's not forget that I still have that other box coming. It hasn't quite shown up yet, but it's on its way. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I get in the light to medium box. But if it's any consolation, even if this is all I got, I would be such a happy camper. They did such a wonderful job. I would even say it's better than last year. Yeah, it was even better than last year. Oh my gosh, they just keep getting better. Anywho, so I hope you guys were just as lucky, if not luckier, than I was this year, and I hope you had a wonderful Martin Luther King Day, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys stay lovely. That's not my outro. No, it's not. It's been a long time. But until next time, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends, your family, or anyone else whom you might like. And until next time, stay lovely. Bye.